Chapter 1. Strangers at the Crossroads. Aiko Tanaka had always felt like she existed in two different worlds. Born to a Haitian mother and a Japanese father, she was never quite enough for either side. In Japan, her darker complexion made her stand out, an anomaly in a society that valued uniformity. And when she visited Haiti, her Japanese heritage made her feel like a foreigner. The struggle to belong had always defined her, but as she stepped onto the campus of Tokyo University, she decided it was time to carve out a space of her own. That's where she met Souta Hiragi. Souta had his own struggles, though they were less visible. Coming from a strict and traditional Japanese family, he was the youngest son of a once powerful business dynasty. His older brother had inherited the family company, leaving Souta to chase dreams that his parents deemed frivolous. He had fallen into music, playing guitar and writing songs that spoke of freedom, an escape from a predetermined fate. Aiko saw in him something familiar, a soul caught between expectation and desire. They met by chance, two strangers sitting at a park bench after class, drawn together by the quiet loneliness of being different. Their first conversation lasted for hours. He told her about his family's disappointment. She told him about the sideways glances and hushed whispers she endured daily. They found solace in each other's presence, and soon, friendship turned into something deeper.